Ekuthule bandleni fana kagama lo. Yazi-ke ukuthi normally uma ngihleli la, so it means it's um it's a highlight or a reaction of a music video. So today I'm taking you guys through a highlight last week on FM. There's a reason why I try to do my highlights so that you guys can see the type of stuff that you guys might be missing out in Ngoni FM. Now Ingoni FM is an online radio station where myself, or Pastor Tundu, or Pastor Mbata, or Pastor Chris discuss things about life, not just on a religious standpoint, but normal life and day to day things. Sometimes we have guests on the show. Hence, you've seen videos of me being at the studio and videos here just doing the best that I can. So, last week it was Heritage, right? It was the day after the Heritage Day. And trust me, bruh, if you were not listening, man, let me just take you guys through the highlights from last week so you guys you can hear for yourself the type of conversations that they were having. So without wasting you guys time, let's dive right into it.
Ngiqale nje nokudlulisa kakhulu kumlaleli nabathandi behlelo le-Engaging Life for ukuthi kuthe makuhlaba umkhwelo wonke umuntu wasabela umkhosi wasabela njoba ubishop wethu u-Andy Mthia bekalonsha incwadi yakhe yabangoni bengoma.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Hey, people,
Were beautiful.
honoring the
They
invite.
honored the invite. Hey, they respected the theme.
Yay.
Aibo, including Bani Po.
Wenana.
Hey,
Yazi.
wena.
Hey.
Hayi, Shem.
Hey, siyabonga sithi
Hayi,
sibonge.
obekangekho
Hayi,
ulizile.
yazini kubalulekile ukuthi sisupport one of our own.
Kakhulu.
Not just being a Zionist, but also being a black man okanye person launching incwadi yakhe
Yebo.
about lento sikhuluma ngayo heritage.
Exactly. Someone emsebenzini.
You know, and for us who was not able to go, um, the reviews that I've been seeing, the posts that I've been seeing, yeah, apparently it was a crazy show. Hopefully, it will get uploaded on the internet. Hopefully, so that we can watch it for those that didn't get the chance to go there. But trust me, man, I've seen a couple of his theater show. Amazing, bro. Amazing.
Like bekebuza ukuthi awu naswenga kangaka kulosihlanu bekwenzakalani so sengimthatha through the play.
Yeah.
Yabona ngithi you know the way I was so thrilled ngaleya play. I had goosebumps from beginning up to the end. And everything made sense.
Made sense,
Yeah,
yes.
everything made sense laphayana.
Into ebalulekile lo.
Yeah.
Which at the end of the day
Yes.
ube ne-understanding.
Yes.
Engikuthande kakhulu kunakho konke. It's when mase kuyi-book launch.
Yeah.
The parents,
Yeah.
family,
Yo, it was
friends.
beautiful.
Kuhle
It was
ukubona
very touching.
umuntu
Esaphila.
and acknowledge
Esaphila.
ukuthi asaphila.
Yes.
Sibe abofakazi nathi
Yebo.
ukuthi sasikhona.
Yebo
But
kunjalo.
kukho konke ngithande ekugcineni kohlelo mabazo honora upastor uVoice
Myself. Oh, that was
it was so
yeah,
beautiful.
it was beautiful.
Ukuthi umuntu masisa saphila.
Yes, umazise irole ayiplay ayidlalile
Ayidlalile.
empilweni zabantu ngoba akusuku sebandleni lakhe kuphela.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
true uZion wonke.
uZion wonke.
Yes,
Iqiniso,
true uZion
iqiniso.
wonke.
Baba
Yeah.
uVoice Myself lapho khona.
Yeah,
uNkulunkulu
Nkosi
akwenze
yami.
kahle.
Nabalaleli Nkosi yami
Yes,
abadlulise basho ukuthi kwingoni FM cha silibizile igama lakhe ukuthi siyambongela ngempela.
Yeah. Into enhle nayo
Siyambongela Pastor Mbatha ukuthi sizo
Facts, facts. I mean, I too believe that. I understand. Let's not uh let's not appreciate people when they gone. Let's give them the flowers while they're still here. Especially, I take that very personally because of since I was 18. If I could tell you the artists that I listen to that have died, well, well before that, started with my aunt. My aunt died in 2016. So since 2016, I've been doing the best I can to give people the flowers to show my appreciation. So I really I really do understand, and I really do support the fact that let's give people the flowers while they're still here. Imagine being a hip hop fan like me. Every year there's an artist you lose, bruh. Ev- From 2018. This year I haven't lost an artist that I listen to. Instead, my favorite artist is in jail. You understand? So it's crazy. It's crazy. Let's give people their flowers while they're still here, bro. Let's do that.
Casual.
Yes.
Sifuna ukuthi la ngifuna ukuthola laba abaka 90 laba bazalwe ngabo 94 95 ngoba abazi lutho ngeheritage uyabona bayagqoka ngoba bebona uyabona they just follow suit uyabona because bona ngaleso sikhathi bebengakazalwa uma la eSouth Africa iheritage izoqala ishintshwa ifakwa ekhalendeni ukuthi izoba celebrated. Sizokhumbula ukuthi i24 zika September kahle kahle zazi ne segregation because kwaku celebrate amaZulu wodwa celebrate uShaka. Yes, kwaku Shaka's day. Yabona
Crazy. Crazy, man. I mean, even I didn't know that, bro. Yeah, nah, I didn't even know with the 24th had something to do no Shaka, bro. That is why I'm so against South Africans schooling system, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I hate it, bro. I hate it. You know, we were there learning about Hitler's and all of this unnecessary stuff, man. You know, and yet you don't even know this. Come on, I'm 25 years, bro. I didn't even know Good Heritage Day was King Shaka's Day. Sucks.
kwakuyi-Shaka's Day until ngo-1994 uma-ke sesithola-ke umbuso-ke wabantu abamnyama uMandela esengena eba upresident wokuqala omnyama. Sesiqala sizokhululeka-ke manje izwe lethu lizokhululeka. Remember ukuthi uMandela i-strategy eza naso esokubuilda ini i-Rainbow Nation.
Okay.
That is where now i-heritage lena iye yaqala yabungezwa-ke manje wayibona uMadiba njengomXhosa ukuthi amaZulu amachaka lawa ayasiqhatha ngoba yabona siyaqhathiwa ngokuthi kuzawucelebrate indoda nje eyi-one yabona iMzansi Afrika wonke sizijwana nalo chaka wayihlakaniphela uMandela lento wathi diversity weza ne-diversity ke manje uMandela yabona wayi-introduce i-Rainbow Nation. Angekuqala i-Rainbow Nation include abelungu kahle kahle kodwa ne-diversity angithi mara la i-diversity sesikhuluma cultural diversity. Wase ethi uMandela sonke ke manje sizobuka-ke sizocelebrate i-heritage yethu sazi ubuzwe bethu ukuthi njengomXhosa usukaphi amaXhosa asukaphi because uma ungalandela umlando wamaXhosa amaXhosa ahlukile kunamaXhosa amampondo.
Okay.
Yes, kunamaXhosa amampondo. Amampondo la avelaphi? Amampondo ilawa akhuluma yilaba babethatha nani ngakazalwa ke Musa kusathathwa ama-dust.
I know these people personally. I never was. But Musa, you were not born. Damn. Hey. Damn, bro.
Bini wezenke lawa wezenke thina ke sasi kwakuyiba i-punishment yethu uyipolishe mangabe uye late kokwami athi thatha ibraso uzoyipolisha ke le dustbin. Yebo dustbin eyokupolisha. Yes yokufaka udodi kodwa angithi mina lesivalo yabona inesivalo si-round esithi bump phezulu ayehla kwakuyi-competition eSoweto ukuthi mawungena i-dustbin ecobezelayo usho ukuthi niyamaxeleko.
Really? Hey, that's insane, bro. You see, we don't even know these things. But half of us we can tell you about World War One, where it began, World War Two, how it began. Not where how did even World War Two we will tell you. But ask us about our own South African history. Some of us don't even know when Steve Biko was born. When did he even die? We don't know. Our Peter Muka, we don't know. We don't know. But you go to a South African government school right now, you pick up a history book. Pick up a history book. Hitler is there. What does that has anything to do with South Africa, bro? Hmm? What? Next? Nothing. It's busy Latin. And the next minute, like to one, hey, Nina and racist, wara. Look, I don't care. Okay? I mean, essay. I don't care. Germany. I don't care, bro. I don't care about the white regime, how they took over essay. I don't care about any of that. I don't. It's not gonna do anything for me. I don't care. But what I want to know is what needs to be known even in school is this. We should have a choice as to what to choose to learn. I don't care about Jan van Riebeeck and the Diamonds Queen Elizabeth too. I don't care about all of that. I genuinely don't. It's not. Look, it's not part of me. Yes, I want to learn about the history of the world. Cool. But some things must not be sidelined. I can't learn 80% of overseas stuff. And then I don't even know what's going on in my own country. I don't even know when SA was formed. I don't even know where I come from as a Swati person. Right? As years goes on, you start learning about Abantu Bagango. The word Abantu, where it comes from, it was a tribe. You understand all of that. There's so much things that we need to learn. How the language came about, how we greet each other, how we slaughter animals, what's supposed to be ate, what do you do, how to do it, how a man carries themselves in a particular culture. You understand? But you go to the history. I am telling you, some of you guys even know how men back in the 40s, never mind 40s, during Cleopatra's days, you know how men were treated. You know that men who were the tallest at that time were holding the higher position rank by wearing heels. Men with different sizes of wig also determined the position they had in court. That is back in Cleopatra's day. What on earth do I have to do with that? Tell me. Me information mean. Where do I take that to? How is that my problem? You understand? There's so much things that have to do with things that has nothing to do with us here in SA that we are learning about. Cool. Like I'm saying, it's okay, but we should also have a choice in school. Do you know how frustrating it is to learn about these things after high school? Now you're an adult, you have to be here. Yeah. Now you gotta learn all this. Instead, teach these things in school. Let people know the simple heritage that we have. Don't just teach us about Hector Peterson and then end it there. What happened after that? Why nobody talks about the journalists, the people that forced South Africa to change its? You know what, guys? I can go forever.
Nisuke namaxelegu ixelegu amavila. Yes, amavila. Yes, amaxelegu amavila. So mangabe kukuthi yena idustbin yabona ine rust nyane irusile nyane because sasike sithathe malingena braso bekuthathwa umlotha. Yes. Okay. Ngotshiswe ngomlotha besiya free view ke. Yabona kwakuyi competition nje. Thola ukuthi sonke sihlele estradeni. Khumbula amajari waqala engena amagate. Oh mama, ungahambe kakhulu. Yeah. Ne-polish dustbin. Yes, polish dustbin estradeni. Yeah. Lapho bekubhuqu khona. Yebo. Ayena sikontira ngithi ya. Yeah, kodwa thina sizohlala flat siba busy nale dustbin yabona. Siyacompete manje ezabo abantwana ngithi abomakhelwane ukuthi sifuna ukubona ukuthi eShayina kakhulu yipi. So ke uma ulalela ihistory yamampondo, amampondo anobuZulu phakathi. Because isiXhosa sabo akusisixhosa pure Xhosa. IXhosa a mix i-mixed nesizulu.
Okay.
Yes, because bayilaba ngesikhathi sakashaka abagijinyiswa babaleka ngithi ama tribes wabeSuthu kunama tribes omaXhosa abaleka ne babaleka namashangane. That's why babiza ukuthi ngabathi ushangana ngithi asamashangane kahle amatsonga, the correct name ne. Ushangane lo qhamukapi ushiya ngane.
You see things like this. I am not disagreeing with Pastor Tulu what she's saying. But again, what is the real reason why there is tribe called Amashangan? Or how she's saying it? Because some people say Usoshangan, which was one of the conquerors as yes. One of the adopted sons is a Tatwa Undwandwe, who was conquering was Mazim. So you see Uzo Changane, some people but Uso Shangane. So you see Uti, some know this, some know that, which is which. That's why I'm like, I am not disputing what she says, because what she's saying is what I know as well. But you start be like, hey, wo, so Shangane, Amashangane. And then you realize Uguti, Amashangane and Tonga people are not even the same. But growing up, I had the thing, Uguti, don't call them Amashangane, it's Tonga. Again, yes, one song, listen, and we don't even know yet. So we need history here to be taught correctly, so that we know where we're standing.
Yes, they ran away and left their children behind. So shiyangane. Yes,
kancane. Athi ngifuna ibeka kahle ukuthi kusiko athi there's umehluko between usiko ne ngathi ngifuna i-religion ne-culture. Ne ukwenkolo nobuntu bese ku-culture khona lento abathi tradition.
Yes,
ake sidlule lapho.
Okay.
Finally, people abangazi umehluko between tradition and culture. What? It's not taught. I'm doing my tradition. Referring to culture.
Umehluko ke ula.
Tradition
I-tradition
is the thing that you do.
it's what different singaba amaXhosa ne, but asikholelwa kwinto eyi-one sonke. Tradition leyo. Yes, tradition ukuthi mina kwaXundu this is how we do things.
Okay.
Yabona? For instance, mina kwaXundu I know even there's a Zulu group that also does not use imbuzi, for instance. Njengathi thina we don't use imbuzi when we are celebrating, for instance, ne? Igusha, yeah, asisebenzisi ibhokhwe ne. Ibhokhwe is only used when the boys come from the mountain for the circumcision.
Okay.
That's the only time lapo.
You see? And when you go to the Zulu nation, circumcision is not a big deal. They don't care. You don't have to do it. That's why you find a lot of old school men still have foreskins, because it's not a big thing. But in Xhosa culture, it's a big deal. I don't know about Swati people. I don't know. I don't even know about my own people. But with Zulu people, yeah, if you don't believe me, one interview, Big Zulu did it. Yeah, Big Zulu was the person that actually confirmed it. They asked him, Uguti, do they? He said, no, it's not a must. It's, to us, that's nothing. It's not a, we have other things to, again, tradition. There is a norm where they say, yeah, everyone needs to, but there's also cultures that say it's against to cut anything off. That's their tradition, which is part of their culture. But other cultures don't follow that tradition. Understand? And just because we are all black does not mean we do the same thing.
Ibhokhwe ixhelwa khona emaXhoseni.
Okay.
But most of the time thina we are celebrate ngoba why kunale belief yokuthi igusha awuthethi nix awuyithethisi igusha.
Ngibuyithulele nje
Yeah,
igusha.
ngibuyithulele nje vele. So mangabe nina as i-tradition yenu kwaXondo nina anikhulumisa iy'lwane. Yabo? I can do mina umsebenzi right now ngiloko ngikholiwe nginje. But umsebenzi wami i-aim yami akukona ukuchitha igazi nokuthi ngikhulumise leso silwane. But kungoba mhlambe ngisuke ngihalele le nyama le. Kaloku sitya
It's just sometimes it's just ukhalela dog. I want to say Pastor King, very informative woman. Very bro. Sometimes listen, there's a difference between processed goat meat, processed lamb, beef, and all of that versus raw. Like, you slaughter this now. It's not about tradition, no, bro. Ngikhalele nje inyama yangaphakathi. Ngikhalele nje umrhodu. Ngikhalele from there. Ngifuna lo. Yes, you can go buy it, but remember that same goat that you bought, the same lamb or sheep or beef that you bought or chicken, it was also slaughtered. Come on, man. Not every time when we slaughter an animal has to do with tradition. I like that. I mean culture. I like that. Or tradition. I like that.
yona nje. Yes, sisitya yona kaloku igusha. Umcimbi ayingomcimbi kungenagusha.
Yeah.
Funeka iwe igusha. And ethe hoch, yabona? Ethe hoch hayi ebhityileyo.
Ngiyeva mama.
Yes, so angazi
Hold
noma
on.
ngichazele.
Eke is a closer. Oh my goodness. I've been saying Eke for so long. It's a closer. I wonder what it means.
I-religion
No, asi-religion.
tradition.
Tradition. So i-culture is a Zulu culture, Xhosa culture. We're all in one. But when it comes to tradition, siyahluka.
Okay.
Ukwenziwa kambatha kungangenziwa konje banisibongo sakho produce kasibisi yabona kwasibisi mabenza imisebenzi yabo i-tradition yabo bayenza ngenye indlela yabona kwambatha nani nendlela yenu yabona enenza ngayo sihluka lapho ibizwani isiko ngamanye amagama yes isiko tradition isiko tradition is an English name ngesintu isiko yes
Okay.
singaba amaXhosa but utsho ukuthi usiko lethu alifani
Okunye nakho.
Yes.
Ngiyakuzwa. Njengobeke.
Guys, man, I'm sorry for cutting it off, bro. I keep saying, guys, you need to train into Ingonefam. I can only give you so much. After that, Uput Musa asked a question. He said, I really want to know what is the importance behind heritage and what's really happening, because now you see we're just doing it because everyone is doing it, but we are not doing it for what it was intended to do. And then Pastor Kundu said, number one, Heritage Day was introduced so that we have Ubuntu. Now remember, what does Ubuntu mean? The togetherness and the unification of people. All different tribes across SA come together and we teach each other. As a Swati, how do I speak? How do I say hello? Antote mangikhuluma nawe umuntu ezwe ukuthi okay, nakuthetha umSwati ngapha. Sanda ukukhuluma umSwati. I understand. I don't know how to speak Swati ngixolele. And it's more uthetha ke namaXhosa ukuze umehluko amaXhosa umethetha. Ithi noma kunjalo uzwe amaZulu mawakhuluma. Same thing. Nalokhu ukuthi insizwa umuntu esimama okhuluma naye, what do you say? Alibula. And then amaso usuka lapho tshwanetse uyithutha ubuwa. You understand? Akhona ubuwa. Awusabuyi you because it's not in the suqisha zafana phela, but mehluko it's slightly. And then ngimapedi. Shwe yazinja amashweshwe. You understand? And then I'm Urinda. And then women say as Venda. Absheni, Astong. Goeiemorgen, Afrikaans. Good morning, English. 11 languages, of course. And then also have Isindebele, which has a bit of Afrikaans in it. Right? And then the first part was to unify, the second part was to teach. I understand. And what she said, the third one was or to bring better understanding so that we don't necessarily, I wouldn't say offend each other, but be disrespectful. Because sometimes you would assume without knowing, and it's a problem to assume. So yo better make sure that you tune into Ingoni FM. So yo, in your favorite way to Mr. Chuptam signing out. Adios.